If you are a biology student, the average salary for this can be anything between 25 lakhs to 80 lakhs per annum. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you about some of the careers, especially if you are a biology student. There are so many other careers which are high paying, they are in demand, and the careers there are more predictable because इंडिया में अगर आप नीट एग्जाम अपियर कर रहे हो, you know the passing percentage and the success rate is very low. So what are those careers that you can consider? I am Deepti Singh, your admissions counselor for Japanese universities. So let's start with biotechnology. So in biotechnology, it is one of the most powerful careers that a student can have. It's a mix of biology and technology. Medicine, vaccines, genetics, food engineering, and pharma companies. These are your targets. These are the areas where you will be working. The average salary for this can be anything between 4 lakhs to 12 lakhs per annum if we are talking about India. Abroad, it can be anything between 25 lakhs to 80 lakhs per annum. Another great career is microbiology. So if you like to study bacteria, viruses, then pharma research labs, hospitals and food industry, these are the places where your research can be used and you can be a microbiologist. The salaries are high, and especially in post-COVID area, this career is always high in demand. The salaries in India are also pretty high. They are between 10 lakhs per annum. These are of course starting salaries, and they can be up to 40 to 50 lakhs abroad. Third such career is genome studies and genetics. So if you want to work on DNA, you want to work on hereditary diseases, genetic modification, then this is the area that you must look at. And this career is booming because of personalized medication. So the salaries are also very high, and it is also a very high in demand career worldwide. Another such option is biomedical engineering. So if you like biology and if you like machines, you can think about medical equipments, you can think about prosthetics or CT machines or MRI machines. These machines also need elaborate research, and you can dedicate your career in building such machines and such technology. This is a very high demand career all over the world, because as much as we need research in other areas, we also need equipments and technology to keep up with the increasing need of medical world. Pharmacy is another great career. You can study medicine, you can do B Pharma, M Pharma, and you can be in healthcare sector without doing MBBS. It's a great choice, and you can work in hospitals, companies, pharma companies. They offer great pays, and there are some drug manufacturers that you can be a part of. So this is also a great career option, and if you're business oriented also, you can think about it. Forensic science, if you like those dramas which are crime shows including biosciences like Sherlock Holmes or CID, you always assume that you want to be one of those detectives. You need to pursue forensic science for these skills, and you can be working in crime labs or crime units or police departments. So you can also be an individual contributor, an independent consultant in that case, and the salaries here are high. They are up to 20 lakhs if we are talking about India. Physiotherapy, it's a very high demand career with the increasing interest in sports in our country and abroad. It has always been a popular career. Sports, hospitals and also rehabilitation centers, they always require physiotherapy specialists, and it's a very high paying career. Nutrition and dietitians, I need not say more, but there is an increasing demand for nutritionists and dietitians. Specifically, if I talk about Japan, in Japan, most schools, they have their own dietitians and nutritionists, and worldwide also there is a high demand for this career. Specifically in fitness industry, in hospitals, airlines, hotels, schools. So the career options are unlimited. Another one is agriculture and food sciences, organic farming, sustainable farming, food production, and food quality testing. These are the areas which are forever demand, and in Japan they are very high paying jobs. Number 10 is environmental sciences. So, if you are interested in climate change and wildlife, you can work on sustainability projects with top NGOs and government bodies. Marine biology and zoology. Not necessarily that you have to work with human body. If you are interested in biology and you love animals, that you can look at zoology as one of the career options. And this career can also lead you to wildlife preservation and ocean research if you are going to specialize in any of these. Medical lab technology. Please understand that you can work in diagnostic centers, you can work in hospitals, and you can have a very stable and fast job placement. Another option is to study psychology with biology. After your 12th, you can take these two subjects or do BSc in psychology. This can lead you to work in education institutes or in hospitals or in mental health area. And trust me, with the increasing stress and competition, also social media has a part to play, of course. We see an increasing demand for such practitioners in the future. Nursing and paramedical and health sciences. So nurses are in huge demand, specifically in developed countries. Specifically, if I talk about Japan, it is in high demand in Japan. Japan is an aging country and it has a demography which is fast aging, which is why it requires more and more nurses. And there are many other developed countries where caretakers and practitioners, they are always highly in demand. So these are some of the careers you can look at, and if you are specifically looking for Japan for these studies, please contact us. And my suggestion to all the students would be not to be caught up in a rat race, and open your mind to other careers and explore as much as possible. Whatever career you choose, it has to align with your interest, and that is what will be most fulfilling for you in the long run. Get in touch with us if you want to explore these courses in Japan. Thank you for watching the video, and please do comment below if you want more assistance or just to say a hello. Thank you.